So I guess I didn't do a proper intro. But hey guys, this is the end of my night, and I know it's weird doing an intro at the end, but hey YouTube fans. Getting ready to play. But anyways, here's my intro, and like everything you see. Hello YouTube people of YouTube that cannot see me. Why is it so dark?
Is it nighttime?
No, like in my old videos, it's really bright.
Oh, but it's nighttime.
But I usually do them at night.
Really?
Yeah.
Is the sun out?
No.
No.
That's not night. We're not in Alaska.
Oh, okay. Is it because you stand under all the lights?
I don't know.
It's because you stand under all the lights, like this one.
Like this one. Now I'm getting brighter and
Probably
brighter.
Because of all the street lights.
I'm waving at my friend Brooke. It's beautiful. She's not paying attention.
Did she knock on the window?
No, that's rude. She's cleaning.
Is she?
Yeah.
Oh, you should do some names.
It's my dance moves. Do it for all my Xbox friends. Yeah, but tonight I was actually requested to do a video. And then the voice you hear does not want to be seen.
No.
So we'll just call him Charlie.
Okay.
Charlie the voice. Charlie the first. There's gotta be a lot of Charlies.
Mexicans and Catholics. Yeah.
Should we call you George then?
No.
As in like Jorge?
No. That's my dead uncle's name. He died because he drank too much and got his foot cut. Because he was diabetic.
That's a crazy story.
Don't worry about it, he's dead.
Don't worry about it. It's okay. He's dead. On the wave.
He was mean to everybody, except me for some reason. He bought me donuts.
He bought you donuts.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're just waiting for my family to come get me. And Brooke needs to look, because I'm tired of waving. No, don't knock. It's rude. Maybe I should start jumping. And she walks in. If this doesn't catch your attention either. Oh my god, this video is so pointless. It's okay. Maybe if I went faster. Just keep walking. Okay, goodbye. What do I want? I want something. Yes, I'm a record. Oh, that's so pretty.
Get it.
Get it. I'm gonna get one of these. One more. I'm a thirsty fella. I want cherry Coke. So, I think that's basically it for my after work randomness. Now I'm gonna do what I normally do. Oh, really dark. Oh my gosh, I'm scared of the dark. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's still really dark. What the heck? But, as I was saying, the bed is a mess. What is going on here? No, so, to go along with my after-work randomness, I'm actually going to finish off like I normally do and play the game. So, okay guys, seriously, where's my remote? Oh, it's at the top of the bed. I might guess what happened, but I'm not going to, because that's not what I do. I'm a detective. Okay. So, I've been trying to do a Let's Play with my laptop, though. That's the thing. And the thing, my laptop is acting up. He was watching TV. That's not the game. So, remote. I'm bending over. Rise of Nightmares. No, that's not the game I'm playing tonight, but I digress. Oh, big news for everyone. I'll sit down for you guys. So I know everyone was pumped for me to go in the military, but I'm not going to. I'm going to do something that I love and something that I enjoy. And if you guys want, down below, put what kind of games you like, what kind of games you like, and I can see what I can get from that. I already have an idea stirring in my head, and one of these days I'll have a video describing what I'm going to do with the rest of my life. Well, like always, like, subscribe, comment, and like this video if you enjoyed it. And like always, my friends, keep it clean. Bye-bye.